Hi everybody, my name is Italo Serpa and I work for all new Nissan in Warminster, PA. Today I'm here to talk a little bit about the Android Auto and Apple Carplay standard with the Rogue SV 2018. Let's take a look. Alright everybody, so right here we have the 2018 Rogue SV. The first thing you need to have is a USB cable. So to connect to your car and connect right on your phone. Wait a little bit, it's gonna give you right on the left hand side the option of CarPlay. So click on that button, and there you go, that's my phone. And the good thing about it is it also connects with Siri. So if you press and hold the talk button, I'm hungry.
I can help with that. One option I found is Eco
gives all the directions that would give on your phone
and is inexpensive.
right in your car
Let
screen.
me know if you want to hear the whole list.
And to go back, all you have to do is press the home button. You go back to the main screen, and to disconnect, it's very simple. Just disconnect your phone. There you go back to the Nissan screen. Alright, so this was a little bit of the Apple and Android Play. Thank you again for watching.